Woodworking has always been more than just a craft. It's a lucrative avenue for creativity and business. For those with a passion for woodworking, the potential to generate income often lies in the intersection of skill, innovation, and market demand. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just beginning your journey, there are numerous opportunities waiting to be explored, each capable of transforming your hobby into a profitable venture. First and foremost, understanding the market is crucial. Before diving into production, consider the current trends in woodworking. Consumers are increasingly drawn to handmade, sustainable products. And by aligning your creations with these preferences, you can significantly heighten your chances of success. Conducting thorough market research will reveal what types of products are in demand, allowing you to tailor your woodworking projects to those needs. Networking is another key aspect of turning your woodworking passion into a business. Building connections with other woodworkers, participating in local craft fairs, and even joining online forums can provide invaluable insights. These platforms not only allow you to showcase your work, but also to learn from others who have successfully navigated the transition from hobbyist to entrepreneur. One approach to generating income is to offer woodworking classes. Share your skills with others looking to learn. This method not only provides a direct income stream, but also positions you as an expert in your field. Hosting workshops or creating online courses can expand your reach far beyond your local community, allowing you to tap into a global audience. Building a strong brand can set you apart in the competitive woodworking market. Developing a unique style or theme for your projects can create a compelling identity that resonates with potential customers. Consider your values and how they align with your creations. Are you focused on sustainability, craftsmanship, innovation? Your brand's messaging will guide every aspect of your business, from marketing materials to packaging. Utilizing e-commerce platforms is a game changer for woodworking businesses. Selling online allows you to reach a broader audience than traditional methods. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, or even your own website can serve as effective storefronts for your products. Remember that good photography can make a significant difference in attracting potential buyers. It's essential to showcase your work in the best light possible. Another way to boost income is to focus on customization. Many consumers appreciate personalized products, and offering customized options enables you to charge a premium. Whether it's a specific design, size, or finish, providing customers with tailored choices can significantly increase your sales. This approach not only addresses customer desires, but also fosters deeper connections and repeat business. Incorporating social media into your marketing strategy can enhance your visibility. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are particularly effective for showcasing visual crafts like woodworking. Regular posts can not only display your latest projects, they can also highlight the process, sharing insights and engaging with followers. This storytelling approach enhances your brand's personality and can drive interest in your products. Moreover, consider diversifying your product range. While specializing in a certain type of woodworking may seem beneficial, expanding your offerings can appeal to a wider customer base. From functional items to decorative pieces, having a diverse selection can draw in various segments of the market. Just be careful not to overextend yourself. Maintaining quality is vital in retaining customer trust. Lastly, keeping up with industry trends is essential for long-term success. The woodworking market, much like any other business, is subject to shifts in consumer preferences and technology. Regularly engaging with woodworking magazines, forums, or trade shows can help you stay informed about new tools, techniques, and styles. This knowledge is crucial for evolving your business and ensuring that your products remain relevant. Woodworking offers a unique blend of creativity and craftsmanship that can easily be transformed into a profitable business venture. As society increasingly values handmade products and sustainable materials, there's a vibrant market waiting for woodworking enthusiasts to tap into. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or embark on a full-time business, there are various strategies to explore that can position you for success. First, consider the power of niche marketing. Identifying a specific area of woodworking that aligns with your skills and interests can lead to a focused and dedicated customer base. For instance, you might explore themes around environmental sustainability, DIY home improvement, or even furniture restoration. By carving out a niche, you not only differentiate yourself from competitors, but also attract customers who are passionate about your selected theme. Building a portfolio is another critical step in establishing a woodworking business. Showcase your best work through high-quality photographs and detailed descriptions. A strong portfolio not only highlights your skill and creativity, but also builds credibility with potential buyers. Consider setting up an online gallery or using social media platforms to share your projects, engaging your audience with behind-the-scenes content that illustrates your creative process. Attracting clients can also involve leveraging community involvement. Participate in local artisan markets, craft fairs, and woodworker meetups. These events provide excellent networking opportunities and allow you to connect directly with customers. Having a physical presence often creates a stronger relationship with your audience, helping you gain valuable feedback and convert interest into sales. Offering workshops can be an excellent revenue generator. By teaching others the art of woodworking, you can share your passion and skill while earning income. Structuring your classes around popular woodworking topics or techniques can attract beginners and enthusiasts alike, providing a welcoming environment for people to learn and engage. This not only helps grow your income, but builds a community around your brand. Consider the possibilities of subscription services or membership programs. By offering exclusive content, courses, or access to special woodworking projects, you can create a recurring revenue stream. Subscribers may be interested in premium plans that give them insights into advanced techniques or additional resources that are not available to the general public. This model encourages customer loyalty by providing ongoing value. Another avenue worth exploring is collaborations with local businesses. Consider partnering with home decor shops, garden centers, or even cafes to showcase and sell your creations. These partnerships can provide your work with added exposure to potential clients and expand your reach. Collaborative workshops or events can also drive interest and foot traffic to both your business and your partner's establishment. Establishing an online presence is essential in today's digital world. Utilize platforms like e-commerce websites, social media, and blogs to promote your woodworking projects. A well-optimized website can serve as a central hub for your business, showcasing your portfolio, explaining your processes, and providing an easy shopping experience for your customers. Regularly updating your content, whether through tutorials, tips, or insights, helps keep your audience engaged. Don't overlook the power of storytelling. Connect with your audience by sharing your journey as a woodworker. Discuss your inspirations, challenges, and successes through blog posts or videos. Authentic narratives resonate with consumers and can create a strong emotional connection to your brand, fostering loyalty and encouraging word-of-mouth recommendations. Moreover, consider seasonal promotions or limited-time offers to create urgency in your sales strategies. Special promotions around holidays or local events can boost sales and attract customers who may not otherwise consider purchasing. Keep your offerings fresh and varied to entice past customers to return and continue supporting your business. Finally, continuously seek feedback and invest in your growth as a woodworker. Engaging with customers about their preferences and suggestions will help you refine your offerings and enhance your skills. Joining woodworking communities, taking courses, or attending workshops can provide new perspectives that can rejuvenate your creativity and keep your business thriving. Woodworking presents a remarkable opportunity to transform a beloved hobby into a thriving business. The allure of crafting beautiful, functional items resonates deeply within both creators and consumers, tapping into a desire for authenticity and quality. Whether you're just starting or looking to expand your existing woodworking endeavors, there are numerous strategies to effectively generate income through this timeless craft. Understanding your target market is essential for success in woodworking. By conducting research into what consumers are currently seeking, you can align your creations with their interests and preferences. This ensures that you're not only creating something unique, but also addressing actual demand. Take time to explore current home decor trends, gift ideas, or wedding registry items, as these can provide valuable insights for your projects. branding plays a vital role in differentiating your woodworking business. Establishing a memorable and cohesive brand identity can help you stand out in a saturated market. Consider what you want your brand to convey, whether it's rustic charm, modern elegance, or sustainable craftsmanship. Ensure these elements are reflected in your marketing materials, online presence, and product offerings. Building an online portfolio is an effective way to showcase your work. High-quality images combined with compelling descriptions can illustrate not only the beauty of your pieces, but also the skill that goes into making them. A professional website can function as both a portfolio and a shop, allowing potential customers to view your work and make purchases seamlessly. Additionally, leveraging social media to amplify your reach is crucial. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are particularly effective for visual storytelling. Sharing progress shots, behind-the-scenes content, and finished pieces can engage your audience and cultivate interest. Regular interactions with followers, such as responding to comments or hosting QA sessions, can further strengthen your community and foster loyalty. Hosting woodworking classes or workshops can create a significant income stream while promoting your craft. People who are keen to learn often seek hands-on experiences, and offering classes provides an avenue for that. Consider various skill levels, from beginners to advanced, and curate your sessions around popular techniques or projects. This not only generates revenue, but establishes you as an expert in your field. Exploring collaboration opportunities with local businesses can also be beneficial. Partnering with shops that complement your work, such as home decor stores or lifestyle boutiques, can enhance visibility and provide mutual benefits. Collaborative events like pop-up shops or joint workshops could draw in new customers and create a buzz around your brand. Consider offering custom woodworking services. Many consumers appreciate personalized items that reflect their tastes and styles. By allowing clients to request specific designs, sizes, or finishes, you could charge a premium while also fostering stronger relationships with your customers. Custom work often leads to repeat business and referrals, as satisfied clients share their unique experiences. Subscription-based models or membership services are innovative ways to generate recurring income. By providing subscribers access to exclusive projects, tips, or video tutorials, you can cultivate a dedicated following eager for ongoing engagement. This method not only creates a steady revenue stream, but also encourages a deeper connection with your audience, as they feel part of an exclusive community.